Imagine having a master switch inside every cell of your body. A switch that, when flipped, tells your cells to clean house, repair damage, boost energy production, and essentially hit the reset button on aging. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of your longevity genes. For decades, we've known about the power of these internal mechanisms, but the question has always been, how do we activate them naturally and sustainably? The answer, surprisingly, may lie in a humble ancient herb known as Jiaogulan. We will explore the cutting-edge science behind how this herb of immortality directly influences two of the most critical longevity pathways, AMPK and Nrf2. Stay with me. We will unlock this cellular secret with clarity and scientific insight. The profound power of Jiaogulan, Gynostemma pentaphyllum, is rooted in its ability to act as a cellular signaling agent. Specifically, its active compounds, the gypenosides, have been shown to directly influence two master regulators of cellular health and longevity. First, AMPK, or AMP-activated protein kinase. Think of AMPK as your cell's energy sensor and metabolic master switch. When activated, it signals your cell to stop storing fat and start burning it for energy, initiating autophagy, the cellular cleanup process that removes damaged components. This is the same pathway activated by intense exercise and calorie restriction, two proven methods for extending lifespan. Jiaogulan's gypenosides are potent AMPK activators, essentially mimicking the effects of fasting and exercise at a cellular level. Second, Nrf2, or nuclear factor erythroid 2-related factor. Nrf2 is the master regulator of your body's antioxidant defense system. When activated, it tells your cells to produce their own powerful internal antioxidants, like glutathione, which are far more effective than external supplements. This process is crucial for reducing oxidative stress, a primary driver of aging. By boosting Nrf2, Jiaogulan provides unparalleled cellular protection. This dual action on AMPK and Nrf2 is the scientific reason why Jiaogulan is so strongly associated with vitality and longevity. We know that activating AMPK through fasting and Nrf2 through intense exercise are key to longevity. However, the challenge for most people is consistency. Maintaining a strict, lifelong calorie restriction or an intense exercise regimen is incredibly difficult and can even lead to burnout and stress, which counteracts the benefits. This is where the limitations of a purely behavioral approach become clear. Chronic stress, a constant companion in modern life, actively suppresses these longevity pathways. When your nervous system is in a state of constant stress, your body prioritizes survival over cellular repair. Jiaogulan offers a crucial bridge by providing a gentle, daily, and sustainable way to keep AMPK and Nrf2 active. It supports your cellular health even on days when your diet or exercise routine isn't perfect. It acts as a foundational support, ensuring that your body's internal repair mechanisms are always running in the background, moving you from a state of constant survival to one of deep, resilient well-being. The pursuit of longevity is a holistic endeavor, requiring both cellular and nervous system regulation. Jiaogulan offers the cellular, biochemical support by activating AMPK and Nrf2. The MindBody Reset offers the internal, somatic practice. This reset is a gentle and deeply effective approach to work with your nervous system, creating a state of inner safety and calm that perfectly complements the cellular action of Jiaogulan. It's designed to communicate directly with your body, using safety signals to activate the vagus nerve and promote a state of regulation. No need to understand the complex science behind it all. Just be open to the experience.
It's an invitation to trust your body's innate wisdom, to offer it the space to rebalance and feel safe. Now I invite you to join me for this practice. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down. Let your feet rest on the floor or your body settle on the surface supporting you. There's nothing to do, nothing to achieve, just to be. Let's start by placing one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Feel the warmth of your hands, the gentle contact with your body. It's a simple gesture, a signal of safety you're offering yourself. Now, bring your attention to your breath. No need to change it, just to notice it. The air coming in, the air going out. And if your mind wanders, that's perfectly normal. Acknowledge that thought, then gently bring your attention back to the sensation of your hands on your body and to your breath. We're now going to slightly lengthen the exhale. Inhale gently through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth as if blowing through an invisible straw. Let the exhale be a little longer than the inhale. This is a direct message to your nervous system. I am safe. Feel your body settle a little more with each exhale. Notice the sensations under your hands, perhaps a slight expansion on the inhale, a gentle release on the exhale. There are no right or wrong sensations, just what is there. If you notice tension somewhere, simply invite it to relax. No need to force it, just a gentle invitation. Imagine your body is a landscape and your breath is a gentle breeze passing through it, soothing every corner. Stay with these sensations, this moment of presence. It's not a performance, it's a return to yourself, an anchoring. You are safe here in this space you are creating. Your body knows how to regulate itself. We are just giving it a little nudge. After this practice, you may have noticed a subtle shift, a feeling of more space, calm, or a smoother breath. This feeling is the essence of regulation. When you combine the cellular activation of Jiaogulan on AMPK and Nrf2 with the nervous system grounding of the mind-body reset, you create the optimal environment for longevity. Cellular repair, detoxification, and energy production are all processes that thrive in a state of calm. By reducing the internal noise of stress through the reset, you allow the powerful gypenosides of Jiaogulan to do their deep foundational work. This combination is the true secret to activating your longevity genes, not just turning them on, but giving them the peace they need to function optimally. Take a moment to reflect. What new understanding or sensation did you discover within yourself today? There's no right or wrong answer, just an observation. I invite you to share your experience with Jiaogulan or your favorite longevity practice in the comments below. Your sharing can inspire others on their journey to vitality. If this exploration has brought you clarity and calm, I invite you to subscribe to Thrive Within MindBody Reset for more practices and insights that nourish your nervous system and support your longevity. In our next video, we will address the question, the ultimate adaptogen, Jiaogulan for stress, energy, and anti-aging. For now, remember, you are stronger and more resilient than you think. You are safe, and you are exactly where you need to be. Take care.